Welcome back. Today we are tackling the Grumpy Bookstore Owner problem. This is a medium difficulty coding challenge that is perfect for learning the sliding window technique. Here is the situation. We have a bookstore that is open for a set number of minutes. During each minute, a specific number of customers enter. However, the owner has a mood problem. They can either be grumpy or not grumpy during any given minute. If they are not grumpy, everyone is happy. But if they are grumpy, customers leave unsatisfied. Let us look at the data. We have an array called customers, representing the count of people arriving each minute. We have a second array called grumpy, where 0 means happy and 1 means grumpy. Finally, we have an integer x, representing a special duration of minutes. The owner has a secret technique. They can force themselves to not be grumpy for x consecutive minutes. This effectively turns all ones in the grumpy array into zeros for that specific window. Our job is to choose the best time to start this technique. We can break this problem down into two simple parts. First, we calculate the satisfaction we get naturally without using the technique. Then, we find the best possible window to use our technique to save the maximum number of unsatisfied customers. First, let us sum up all the customers who arrive when the owner is already happy. In our example, we add 1, 1, 1, and 7. This gives us a base satisfaction of 10. These customers are safe regardless of our secret technique. Now for the second part. We use a sliding window of size x, which is 3 in this case. We only look at the customers who would originally be unsatisfied. These are the ones where grumpy is 1. In the first window, we can save 1 customer. We slide this window across the array. As we move right, we calculate how many unsatisfied customers fall inside the window. Towards the end, we find a window that covers a 1 and a 5. This gives us a potential gain of 6 customers. To get our final answer, we simply add our base satisfaction of 10 to our maximum gain of 6. This results in a total of 16 satisfied customers. This is the maximum possible value we can achieve. In code, we first calculate the base sum. Then, we initialize our window sum for the first x minutes. We then loop through the rest of the array. At each step, we add the new customer entering the window if they were unsatisfied, and subtract the customer leaving the window if they were unsatisfied. We keep track of the maximum gain seen so far. This approach is very efficient. The time complexity is O of n because we pass through the array just once. The space complexity is O of 1 since we only use a few variables to store our sums. This makes it an optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.